engineers, developers, and experts in the embedded computing world. We are here at Embedded World Nuremberg 2025, and we are so excited to be here in the Embedded Computing Design booth 1500. We've got lots of exciting stuff happening here at the show, but right now we are most interested here in our brand new Dev Zone, where we are featuring some of the most exciting boards and kits and dev boards and products in the entire embedded industry here in 2025. And right now we are featuring the MiTAC MX2 10ADP. This is a rugged and fanless embedded system specifically designed to elevate machine vision applications in factory environments. You see it's got a really robust heat sink here, so it's really resilient to temperature. Tons of input and outputs, tons of opportunity for connectivity. So make sure you come by here at the Dev Zone in booth 1500 with Embedded Computing Design to check out all of the really cool boards and kits and products that we have here in the Dev Zone. Meanwhile, make sure you're following us on LinkedIn, subscribe to this channel, make sure that you're checking out embeddedcomputing.com for all the news that you need to know about the embedded industry, and we will see you very soon with yet another video from the Dev Zone.